Bonjour et bienvenue à cette nouvelle session de français en ligne. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes mercredi 3 juin 2020. Tu répètes? Mercredi 3 juin 2020. Super. Aujourd'hui, nous allons commencer avec un nouveau thème. We are going to start with a new topic, guys. La maison. Tu répètes? La maison. Do you know what that means? So, the house. Okay? So we are going to work with that new topic until the last week of the year. Okay? So we have this week and next 3 weeks. So that will be the main topic. Okay? And we are going to see several points based on that. And we are going to finish with that. And you also know that now, for the next 4 weeks, all the subjects, special areas, we have a big challenge to do for you, organized by 4 regions of the French-speaking world. So you are going to be introduced to all of these regions where we can speak French, for you to know the importance of the French-speaking world and the language through the culture. Okay? So I invite you to watch the videos to introduce that field trip, and then to go to each Google Classroom of the special teachers to go and do the challenge with honorable mention at the end of the week. Okay? And a big prize at the end, as we previously said in that introductory video. So at the end of that video, you'll be finding the challenge for the French subject. Okay, that will be something I hope really enjoyable for you. It won't take that much time. Honestly, it will be very quick. Okay, c'est parti. Ok guys, c'est parti. Alors, les pièces de la maison. Alors, les pièces. Tu répètes? Les pièces. The rooms. La maison. The house or home. The home. Okay, so here I've been drawing for you a typical house of France. Okay, with the roof, orange, red, can be also black, it depends on the regions. We have the traditional cheminée, because for example when it's the winter, l'hiver, il fait froid. Donc pour avoir chaud, it's cold, and to be hot, we put wood on the fire. Okay? And then the cheminée expels the smoke. Donc la cheminée. Okay? So répète le vocable avec moi. Okay? I want you to repeat with me. Donc on commence. La cheminée. Les escaliers. Les escaliers, you can see here the stairs. Le grenier. Le grenier is the attic. Okay, so if we go down, we have 2 times here. Le couloir. Le couloir. The hallway. Okay? Ici, on a la chambre. La chambre. Okay? The bedroom. So if we go down, La salle de bain. La salle de bain. Okay, so it's the bathroom. Okay, donc on a la baignoire. Okay, you can guess. Okay, the water. Et la salle means room. Et bain means bath. So like in English, bathroom. In France, we have two declinations for bathroom. We have la salle de bain. We'll have the bathtub, the shower, and the sink. For the toilets, okay, we will call it les toilettes, and it will be a separate room, because in France, we separate the bathroom from the toilets. So it's why we have to. You can also find les toilettes inside la salle de bain, but it's not that common. Or you will also have an extra one. So we have a second one, une deuxième, la chambre, ok, la chambre. Bien, so if we go down, ici on a la cuisine. La cuisine, okay, so the kitchen. Here is the smoke of the oven, a yummy flavor. À côté on a, so that's the same, okay, la salle à manger, et le salon. Alors, la salle à manger, it's the place where you are going to eat, okay? You can find in some houses the table in the kitchen too, to eat, but you also have a bigger place to eat that we call la salle à manger. And manger means to eat. And then that's the same room. You're gonna have the part of le salon. Le salon, you have the TV, the couch, the seats, the small table, okay? To chill front of here Pokemon. So then you are going to have le garage, okay? Le garage in English, okay? And here we have a Spanish word. It's le balcon. Le balcon. Actually, it's in French, but the origin of that word comes from Spain, Spanish language. Le balcon, el balcón, and if you see it in English, the balcony is the same roots, Spanish roots. So that's a plus to know where come from the word. So that's what I want you to learn. We are going to see extra words, okay? So don't panic, but I want you to remember the words that we have here. For me, they are the most important. Okay. I'm going to start with the first activity of the week. It's a crossword. So we have the same words that we worked on. So those words, okay, they are 19, 19. You see, you have the drawings, the word. Here you have the number. You have the drawing, so you just have, for example, if you take 3, okay, le numéro 3. So we have that. What is that? So try to guess and see where is the drawing. And we know it's le toit. Donc toit, T-O-I-T. On a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. And look, number 3, 3. We find number 3 in the list and we have it here. 3. T-O-I-T, toit. Okay, so you have the example done. The only thing is that number 10 and number 11, this 11, this will be horizontal and 11 will be vertical. Okay, so I told you each box is a letter, so you will see what is the longer word. Bon, donc les 19 mots, on a le toit, la cheminée, donc le toit de roof, hein. La cheminée, mon lot de cheminée, la terrasse, same word, le balcon de balcony, le jardin de garden, le garage, la porte de door, la fenêtre de window. Okay, so those two words are very important because we also have them in the classroom, guys. L'entrée, we didn't see this, but it's quite the same in English. L'entrée, to enter, the entrance. Ok, donc l'entrée will be the hall of the house. Le couloir, so as I told you in the drawing, that's the same word in English. We have the same, I mean, in the school. The hallway. L'escalier, bon, you know, hein, the stairs. L'ascenseur, you have to write it, but honestly, then I won't ask you to remember it. Okay, because even in the school, we don't use it. Enfin, you students. Ok, donc l'ascenseur, the elevator. La cuisine, the kitchen. Le salon, the living room. La salle de bain, ok, the bathroom. La chambre, the bedroom. Le bureau will be the office. Tu répètes, le bureau. Bien. Le bureau, where you work, the office. Le mur, so this is the wall. The wall, le mur. And la cave. La cave, so la cave, it's a place under the house where you are going to store food and beverage. Why? Because it's cooler than the temperature of the main house. I mean, the temperature of the house. La cave, it's down, it's under the house, so it will be cooler. That's perfect to store food and beverage. So as I told you, you put the words here and then you finish with that activity. Second one, we have 6 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So same process with the crossword. You see, you have the boxes. So you have to guess. Okay, so I've been putting for you the vocab. Donc je peux means I can. Habiter dans, to live in. So we know je peux habiter dans un. So we know that we find a type of housing. So count the letters and you'll have the word. 2. Recevoir des amis à dîner, to host friends for dinner. Le dîner. So to host, where are you putting them? In the bedroom? No. So where are you going to eat? So come back on the drawings and try to see which word is divided into with a in the middle. Je peux dormir. Dormir, as I told you here, dormir is to sleep. Okay, so to sleep is an action. Where are you commonly do that action of sleeping? Pour rentrer dans une pièce, to enter in a room, j'ouvre, I open, what? What do you open? Je peux faire à manger dans la, ok, so faire à manger, to cook. So, where are you going to cook? Quand j'entre dans un appartement, j'arrive dans, donc quand, when j'entre, I enter, ok, dans un appartement, same word in English, in an apartment, in this type of housing. J'arrive, I arrive, same word in English, dans, and we know je, it's I, dans, and where are you arriving? In an apartment. So what's the first room where you arrive? And then you're done, guys. So now, guys, I want you to work on vocabulaire, flashcards. Okay, so one side French, français, and one side English, anglais. So when you have the word in French, you have to put it in English, and when you have the word in English, you have to put it in French. Okay, so on a la chambre, le salon, les toilettes, la porte, le couloir. Okay? You can put pause and repeat too, okay? En anglais, the kitchen, the bathroom, the hall, the garden, the window. So with all of those words, you have to fill. Then I invite you to cut, okay? To cut each piece and to play memory with that, like we did for the month, okay? And you have your game for revising the rooms. Voilà. Avec le challenge. Alors, donc the idea is to use what you have in the house. So you go to the salle de bain, toilette, cuisine, salon, everywhere in the house, and you try to guess if you have French products from French brands, obviously, that you have at home. So I invite you to take pictures or videos of you with what you discovered in your house that is French. Okay, so that's the main thing this week. So in relation to France and the overseas territories, so you have to do it with your family. Okay, if you want to involve your family, you can too, and try to see what you might have in your rooms. To help you, I send you that list of brands. So Ichire is a very famous butter, okay, that President of France loved, and it's close to my house. It's very, very nice butter. Decathlon, bon, it's a sport, everything, you can find it everywhere. Related to the cosmetic, we have Sephora, L'Oreal, okay. Sephora, you can find it here everywhere. They send perfumes, all the brands, okay. In all the malls you can find it. L'Oreal everywhere in the world you can find it. It's for the hair, the skin, makeup. You have Garnier, that's the concurrent. They do hair also. Yeah, you have Bourjois makeup, L'Occitane. They do also skin, perfume, perfume for the house. We have Dior, Yves Saint Laurent, Hermès, Guerlain, Lancôme, all perfumes. Okay, Chanel. I love Chanel. For perfumes, I love. Louis Vuitton, the famous bags. Okay, and then you have in the pharmacies, La Roche-Posay. That's I would say both are very important brands for skin issues. Okay, La Roche-Posay, Bioderma, everywhere in the world we can find it, and here in the UAE. Then we have Carrefour. Everyone in the UAE went to Carrefour. You have Peugeot, Citroën, Renault, the French cars, Cartier, the jewelry, Lacoste, the famous crocodile and the polo, Orangina, that's a soda made of orange pulp. I would say healthier than Coca-Cola. And we have the Laughing Co. So that's a cheese, and you can find it everywhere. Remove Nestle of the list because that's from Switzerland. If you like dairies, you have Yoplait and Danone. So that's yogurt. I'm pretty sure you already have it one. Lu, it's from biscuits. We have Evian, Perrier, and Volvic. They are waters. Evian in all the cinemas here. Volvic, you can find it everywhere here, and it's from the volcanic region. Perrier too, it's sparkling water. Jean-Paul Gaultier does perfume too. Then you have and clothes. He's very famous to have dressed, for example, Madonna, President, butter, cheese. Okay. Then Paris Saint-Germain, the famous team of Paris with Neymar actually, Mbappé. Okay, Ibis Hotels, it's French to Pierre Cardin. Okay, you have all those brands. Soignon is a goat cheese, as I think I told you. Panzani, it's pasta. You can find it in Carrefour. And actually, it's from a Italian family that came in the 40s in France and started to do pasta at my place. Okay, in Niort. Niort, close to Échiré. Échiré, that town. It's very, very nice. Okay, so you have all of those brands. So I hope you'll enjoy trying to discover what you have that French at home. And I can't wait to see your pictures and what you have. Ok guys, c'est fini. Bon week-end. Au revoir.